What's on the lunch menu at Ghoul School? Goulash and Ghoul-Aid. What's a monster's favorite drink? Kool-Aid. Wait, no, don't leave. I promise I'll stop with the bad jokes, at least for now. For decades, Ghoul-Aid was just a punny punchline. Then Kool-Aid turned it into punch. Join me as I take a look back at how Kool-Aid became Ghoul-Aid and test out the original Ghoul-Aid recipe. First invented in 1927, Kool-Aid powdered drink mix soon became a popular and economical drink option for all kinds of social gatherings, including Halloween parties. The orange Kool-Aid flavor was described as particularly well-suited for Halloween, since it matched the holiday's color scheme. And the drink mix wasn't just for Halloween parties, or at least not according to Kool-Aid. The brand urged customers to stock up on individual packets to hand out to trick-or-treaters. As this ad for 1964 notes, treat a host of ghosts with one package of Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid even ran a promotion in the 1970s where Kool-Aid could be both the trick and the treat with the Halloween disguise kits. Available Kool-Aid purchase at participating stores, the disguise kit featured a mask of Pitcher Man, aka the original Kool-Aid Man before he got his "oh yeah" catchphrase.
Hey, Kool-Aid!
Oh yeah!
Recipes for Halloween punch also made use of Kool-Aid, typically calling for orange or apple flavors in combination with sugar, fruit juice, or soda. Then around the late 1980s and early 1990s, Kool-Aid's parent company Kraft brewed up a new Halloween punch recipe, Ghoul-Aid. Ghoul-Aid was concocted from grape and orange Kool-Aid, sugar, cold water, and ginger ale. The combination of orange and grape flavors was supposed to result in a black-colored beverage perfect for a spooky Halloween night. It didn't take long for Kraft to go a step further with Ghoul-Aid by foregoing a recipe altogether and marketing a Ghoul-Aid powdered mix in 1996. Instead of a combination of orange and grape, Ghoul-Aid came in the new flavor of Scary Blackberry. Now, it seems like packets of Ghoul-Aid drink mix had disappeared by the early 2000s, but they rose from the dead in 2011, followed by Ghoul-Aid jammers and popping candy. These Halloween products are limited edition, and more recently, the Ghoul-Aid drink has only been available as jammers pouches. But you can still recreate the original Ghoul-Aid using grape and orange Kool-Aid drink mixes. And since you can, I thought it might be fun to resurrect the early 90s Ghoul-Aid recipe and see if it's truly as ghoulish as they say. The original recipe for Ghoul-Aid is pretty simple. You start with 3 quarts of ice water and then add 1 packet of unsweetened orange Kool-Aid and 1 packet of unsweetened grape Kool-Aid. Next, you add 2 cups of sugar. Mix thoroughly until the sugar and Kool-Aid powder is dissolved. This took a while, and it was a pretty gross shade of murky brown, but the color did eventually turn nearly black, though it wasn't quite there. The last step is to add 1 liter of ginger ale. And here's what the final drink looked like. It's a little disappointing looking in the glass because I would say the color is definitely more brown than black, but let's see how it tastes. Well, I wasn't sure what grape and orange Kool-Aid combined together would taste like, and the answer is grape. It tastes like sweet grape Kool-Aid. There's maybe a hint of orange at the end, but grape is definitely the dominant flavor, which is fine with me because I do like grape Kool-Aid, but there's not a lot else to it. And maybe it needed more ginger ale because it's not super bubbly. I really like the concept of having this kind of spooky black-colored drink for Halloween, but the color was actually more of a deep brown than black. So I'm not sure it's worth the effort of making Ghoul-Aid over just having grape Kool-Aid. Did you have the Ghoul-Aid punch or the blackberry drink mix in the 1990s? What'd you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel below. It definitely helps me out. Thank you again, and happy Halloween!